Hello, everybody. Today we are playing Traffic Crashes, Car Crashes. And so we are going to go to the garage, select this, and this color, which is the best I could do. So we're going to go to the city. Wonder what's there. All right. There's ramps. Okay. Huh. Some containers. Although I do not see a port nearby. So we'll go over here. Woohoo! Well, we did it, but hey, at least we did it good enough. Whoa, 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 okay. Oh, that hurts. Okay, let's just restart. It's easy to do. Now we're gonna go to the actual city. Why does this part look familiar? Look how familiar. Whoa, there's a sign. What does that say? Las Vegas. This is Las Vegas. Well, people drive fast here. Watch out. Okay, this looks familiar. I don't think this is from Las Vegas. Same with this. Whoa, a car crash happened. Traffic crashes. That's very little. Whoa, watch out! Wow, these drivers are dumb in Las Vegas. No offense, maybe it's just the area I'm in. Whoa, there's a broken down van. What are you doing here? I have no idea. For starters, why are we in Las Vegas? Let's go over here. Hello, traffic. I crashed into the traffic. Ugh. Ow. Ugh. Watch out. Ugh. Oh. Ooh, a restaurant. Want to go there? Let's just abandon the scene. He almost crashed. The cargo van crashed. Well, I guess that's it. In Las Vegas. Alright, bye.